What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Connor Cons TV. We're talking about the Super Pocket by Blaze Entertainment. We have the Evercade EXP by Blaze Entertainment. Love this thing, man. I can play a lot of retro games, and they come with cartridges that you can collect online. When I found out that this company also came out with the Super Pocket, I had to get one. This thing has the same IPS screen as the EXP. Also plays Capcom games and a lot of other retro games. Also use the same cartridges used for the EXP for the Super Pocket. This system is easier to take with you on the road. So let's take a closer look and compare the EXP with the Super Pocket. The Super Pocket and the Evercade EXP both have Capcom games preloaded onto them. They both can also play any of your Evercade cartridges. The biggest difference here is in appearance and in the system settings. The Evercade EXP can go online and connect to your Wi-Fi. You can also get monthly updates and new games through the updates. The Pocket simply runs on cartridges and the preloaded games that are already set to them. And don't be fooled, guys. The Superboy doesn't come with its own cartridge, even though you do see one there right on the back. This is just kind of acts like a placeholder. It's not really a cartridge, as you can tell. It has a little QR code on the back that I'm actually not sure what that does. I mean, it fooled me. But you can still use your Evercade cartridges and slide them right in the back, just like that. But I did think it would be pretty cool if they came out with some different color cartridges. Let me know what you think about the Super Pocket in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.